Architectural aerated concrete wall application. 1 to 20 architectural plan. 1 to 20 architectural section. Slab is poured. Formwork is assembled. Electric lines are applied. Slab concrete is poured. Glue is laid. Wall construction is started by applying glue to joints. Wall construction is continued by applying glue to joints. Thickness of glue on joints should not exceed 1 mm. First row is completed. Glue is applied to top. Second row is laid by sliding half block. Wall construction is continued. Lintels are used to cross openings. Wall construction is completed. Gap is filled with polyurethane foam. Channels are carved for electrical installation. Casing and junction box assemblies are made. Data line in wall. Telephone line in wall. Satellite line in wall. Electric lines in wall. Wall Tyroleaned with mortar. Guides are made. Plasters are completed. Polyethylene mattress is laid. Guide and thermal insulation boards are laid. Placement of the plates is continued. Placement of the boards is completed. Heat piping is made. Data line at floor. Other lines at floor. Crossing lines are passed over others. Leveling screed is poured. Gypsum finish plaster is applied. Primer is applied. First coat of paint is applied. Parquet adhesive is applied. Parquet is adhered. Door frame is placed. Door leaf is attached. Door is fixed with polyurethane foam. Door casings are fixed. Skirtings are mounted. Final coat of paint is applied. Electrical fixtures are attached. Moved in after cleaning. All with a different decoration.